So beautiful morning. Happy Monday to everybody. We're there for there, where they wait to see us. We said we don't dey anxious on top of our seat to see you, to ask you how your weekend take go. I hope say your weekend day full of events like me. Very eventful. I go on a family gathering on Friday where all my cousins them we never see for a long time. My older cousins them, all of my cousins we don't reach 60, 50. All of us gather for my auntie burial and we see. Why they tell you? Because family reunion is very, very important. How many of us they forget our family members? You go get some of your uncles them where you never see for years, but you no say then they, and some of us self no even know where then they. I know so many of us go get cousins, nephews, nieces them where you never see before. Imagine say your pikin go obodo ibo go marry a cousin. Because una know they do it in. Una know they gather. It don't happen a long time ago. One of my cousins see me for outside. I think we meet for like school. He don't they toast me. In fact, we don't they jail.
Your cousin?
We don't they jail, yes, but I don't know.
Wow.
Because I know see her because nobody name in the beer. Now the female side born am, so in papa name don't change. Now when we can't do one of our uncle burial, now he can't come. I could see what they do here. He said my uncle died. I said, which uncle? We just carried the two of us go meet my elder, my father's brother then. He could say, no, no, say now brother, can you come on? Yeah, can you come? Hey. Now there we do pretty come. So it is very important but make we value our families. I tell you that love is something where you don't need to mice. You need to show love to the people when you still see them. Many of you go tell me, say your papa, mama, you love them, but you don't remember to bless them. You don't remember to send wonderful things to them. Many years ago, I proposed in my heart when I go for one burial that as long as my parents are alive, I will show them love. Because when they die, go, and they do ashwebi and things, so one be. They don't go, they don't see them. But now the love where you show them when they're there with you, now that one night they go tell they remember. If possible, say that people they remember something. All right, so now the wise words within my heart this morning. I don't share, give you so. My name is Omotide Lolo One. Welcome to Good Morning Naija Show.
Yes, so still on top family things. You know, say the Good Morning Naija family, we don't land here, we don't surgery, we don't tandagidigba because we know say on our way they out there be our family self, you know, the family things is going on. And if you enter Facebook and Twitter, we shall continue our family things. Welcome to the Good Morning Naija show. And on top of the show today, you go hear say President Obama, he don't give approval to 4.5 million illegal immigrants, people who use backyard enter US. Also on top of the show for international things, you go also hear say one jolly just come police officer, he don't buy one 23-year-old man for Brooklyn unjustly. Plenty more and even sports levels. Now go join you this morning. Hammer you, boy you. All you need to do is boy your TV and call up your TV, face your TV and face your work. My name Nachiko Keke.
I go like more on top of that story with Obama and those people way past their backyard door. Another Otutuoma morning, no. Good morning, Messerende Ekaro. Anywhere where you operate from, whether not from garage, from toilet, kitchen, or even inside your motor self. If you never hear of Good Morning Naija, that means say you never know yourself with that. On top of the Good Morning Naija show today, you go hear of different things. You go first hear of Flavor. How Flavor can talk say he no like to talk about how he be papa. I want on top of Agbadomen gist. You go see here papa tori, traffic, weather. All the app and way you suppose use. You go know them today because some people our report person when Betiana, she don't already give us information. Say be like say rain don't they fall for where she is. So but more information they come on top of that one. And you know say this my speech no ever complete if I don't introduce myself. Your Naija half cast Luce Inobong. Good morning, Naija.
And Luchi, really, you look so beautiful this morning.
Oh, thanks a lot.
All right, now good morning once again. All of us don't greet you, and we're not going to stop to greet you on top of the morning show. Follow us on top Twitter at GMNS Wazobia. Today on top of the morning show, we go yarn you, the house help, housemaid, nanny, anyone where you want to call them, we actually beat 2-year-old Pekin. Plenty more now you go get on top that story this morning for the Good Morning Nigeria show. And we'll carry you enter our fitness room where Papa Jojo go send you all the fitness things then where you go need to keep your body kajad this early morning. Plenty more day for you on top of the morning show. My name still remains Uwi Ehigamusoy, your Bini princess.
All right, so now that all my divas don't introduce ourselves, finish, we go enter the show properly this morning. So, where be the first place where I go carry you go? Now to know as weather today. Because if you don't know as weather be, to plan your waka, hey, go hard. This one no be the time where you go to wear koi shoe, where by the time when you reach work, your white shoes don't turn to green black or blue black or black green. So you go need to know as well that take be. If we possible, we fit still join traffic as the way, so that you go know the happier way where you go follow this morning. Or make we see as they be. Go weather first, I go know what's in the apple.